So I'm trying to figure out this misfire from the other night at the track. And I replaced this spark plug wire with just another good one I had around here. And I also switched these coils around. And so maybe, you know, if it was the coil, then this plug would read weird now. You know, and maybe that spark plug wire was messed up. I ohmed them out and it looked about the same. So in the process of doing that, I was unplugging all these coils. And I figured out that just this one cylinder that was misfiring was doing this, or had this problem. And I already stole the parts, that's why I gotta show you on these. The one cylinder that was misfiring did not have this gray plastic insert or this blue O-ring to seal out moisture, which I don't think moisture was a problem, but I think that maybe that gray insert there, it holds the little pins in place really nice. Maybe that was the problem. Maybe it was wiggling around in there and making it break up. So I stole the one off. I stole the O-ring and the insert off this and put on the car. So maybe between switching coils around and changing the plug wire and putting that insert on, maybe some of that will fix my problem. It just seems odd that this was the only cylinder that insert and O-ring was missing on, and it was the only cylinder that was missing. So hopefully that fixes it. Maybe some of you guys have had the same problem. You can comment and let me know. So we're going to try to get this thing sorted out on motor and then put the pipe on it and get it sorted out on boost.